We are going to discuss another important topic from the geography is agriculture. Yeah, India is the agriculture dependent country. We can call it as subsistence agriculture farming. We are mainly depend on agriculture for food, not about commercial purpose. Okay, there are plenty of crops are cultivated in India based on their the place suitable for the agriculture. Okay, so there is a tea plantation, there is a paddy, there is a wheat, there is a cotton. This is such a commercial crops are there, such a food crops are there, such a oil crops also there. Okay, so we are going to discuss what are the environmental like issues about a related crop. Okay, so we are going to discuss agriculture. Okay, yeah, mainly 65% rural people are depend on agriculture and their allied sector in India. So we are going to discuss about the backbone system of agriculture in India, such an important agriculture in India, backbone of Indian economy. How much it is contribute to the GDP is 18%. 18% GDP it contributed by agriculture in India. So it is not a commercial, it is about subsistence for the food. Okay, guys, just look into here. It is the of course there is a industries like textile and sugar food industries are depend on agriculture in India. Okay, yeah, and it is contribute to exports such a crops cotton, rice, spices, tea, coffee. We can export. Okay, we are the country, sovereign country India, to ability to export such articles like agriculture crops. Okay, yeah, so many countries are import India's agriculture products. Okay, we are going to discuss about each individual crop here. Okay, types of agriculture in India. Types of agriculture is primitive subsistence agriculture, intensive subsistence agriculture, guys. Primitive is very old agriculture process, that is a small purchase, a low productivity. Okay, in that shifting cultivation is there, we can call it as zooming in North India. Okay, and it is tools they can use axe or do family community labor, and it is released on monsoon dependent. And intensive nothing but it is commercial purpose. Okay, dominant in densely population regions like Indo-Gangetic plains and coastal areas, and it is small land holdings like higher labor input. Multiple cropping is common here. Okay, primitive, intensive are two methods for the agriculture farming in India. Okay, primitive is the oldest and intensive is the very advanced. Okay, so advanced it is a different common type of agriculture, and labor intensive is very less, productivity is high. For like that is types of primitive is very low and there is a productivity is very less. Okay, yeah, I hope you guys understand this. Yeah, next, commercial farming. What is commercial farming in agriculture? It is the largest areas use of high yield varieties. Okay, yeah, large areas mean commercial farming. It is the plantation, it is a like same crop which is expand throughout the area, very large area, like tea plantation is the large area which is based on commercial. Some part of cotton is also commercial farming, which is large area. Guys, just look into here, large areas use of high yield variety seeds. Okay, fertilization is different, irrigation is huge, and plantation crops mainly tea in Assam, West Bengal, coffee in Karnataka, rubber in Kerala, sugarcane, cotton are the commercial crops. They can ask you which one of the following, which following are commercial crops. they can ask you mainly tea is the commercial crop in West Bengal, Assam, tea, Darjeeling tea. Okay, coffee in Karnataka is the commercial crop. Rubber in Kerala is commercial crop. Sugarcane and cotton also commercial crop. Okay, these are the commercial crops. They can ask you guys the crops which is related to the commercial, the crop which is related to the monsoon based, the crop which is related to the Rabi and Kharif. They can segregate and they can ask you the question, guys. Okay, yes. And cropping season in India. Okay, India is mainly monsoon based country. India is the mainly monsoon based country. Rain is the most important factor for the agriculture here farming. Okay, yeah, Rabi and Kharif are the seasons. Rabi and Kharif are the season. Rabi is the winter and Kharif is the monsoon. Rabi is the winter and Kharif is the monsoon. Okay, guys, just look into here. They can ask you, they can give you one crop name. Which one of the following is winter crop? Which one of the following is Rabi crop? They can ask you such questions. They did ask in the previous also. Okay, it is about October. Okay, harvested in the April and June. It can be harvested. They can, they can like fertile for the October and November, December. And they can crop is taken from the February, March, April, May, June. Up to the June, there is a harvesting time of the Rabi crop. Okay, yes. And there is mostly Northwest India, Punjab, Haryana, UP are the main areas of the winter crops, especially wheat and cotton. Wheat, cotton and sugarcane. Sugarcane actually it is Kharif crop, not Rabi. Cotton also Kharif crop. Okay, Rabi crop mainly wheat, guys. Okay, yeah. Kharif is the monsoon crops. Monsoon crops nothing but it is the rain intensive crop. Rain intensive crops are the mostly rice. It is June, July where the rain season. Okay, maize and jawar and bajra, tar and groundnut and cotton. Cotton also Kharif crop. Cotton is the main Kharif crop, guys. Cotton is not a Rabi crop. This is important. Okay, they did ask in the previous year exam, guys. Coastal and Deccan Plateau and Eastern India, mostly Kharif crops. Okay, yeah. The productivity, based on productivity, there is a region of Kharif or Rabi. Zaid crops, nothing but it is the summer crops. Like in the summer, there is a cucumbers and vegetables like crops. Okay, it is March and June, guys. Watermelon, cucumber and fodder and vegetables are the main crops for the Zaid. Okay, yeah. Previous year exam question they did ask from this, which of the main Rabi crop is wheat is the main Rabi crop. They did ask in the previous year question. Main Kharif crop is the like cotton. Cotton we cannot cultivate in the Rabi. Okay, because of cotton need high rainfall, high humid conditions. Okay, in that way cotton and maize we can cultivate. Okay, they did ask many questions in like which season grow cotton and rice in Kharif season. This is a previous year state PSC, TSPSC questions, guys. Okay, they did ask you the crop name they will give you, and they did ask you like season, either Kharif, Rabi and Zaid. They can give you which one of the following is Kharif crop. They can give you rice, paddy, cotton, like wheat, okay, maize. They can ask you any name. Okay, you have to be segregate the Kharif crop and the Rabi crops and water feed or winter feed. Okay, yes. Major fruit crops. This is important, guys. They can ask you in the exam. Major fruit crops, especially rice. Rice, mainly South Indian people, they can eat rice. Okay, so South India mean there is a high intense of rainfall, rivers, and as well humidity. Humidity is need. Okay, it is the staple food. Second largest fruit production after China. This is the important. Okay, food production is the second largest country in India after China. China is the first prime of fruit production country, after that India. Conditions. Condition must be there is a temperature 25 to 30 degrees centigrades and there is a rainfall more than 100 centimeters of rainfall. Alluvial or loamy soils are the suitable for the cultivation of rice. State. West Bengal is the largest production of rice. This is important. UP, Punjab, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Telangana, these are the rice states, guys. Here you have to mind it. This is the first point, most important. This is the temperature and the rainfall is the second, and UP is the West Bengal is the third point. These are the main points for the rice, guys. Especially temperature is 25 to 30 degrees and the rainfall is more than 100 centimeters. Okay, yeah, this is about the characteristics of cultivation of rice. Okay, where mainly South India and West Bengal is the largest production. India is the second largest production in the world after China. Okay, this is about the rice, guys. After that, wheat. Wheat is the also second most important crop in India. Okay, this is the Rabi crop. This is the Rabi crop. Okay, yeah. Conditions only need 10 to 15 centigrades, and which is harvesting time it is 25 to 20, and rainfall is 75 centimeters, guys. Okay, yeah. Mainly UP is the largest production of wheat after Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Bihar. This is important, guys. This is important. Rabi is the first point here. Temperature is the second point here. Okay, yeah. UP is the largest is the third point. These are the most important points about wheat and rice, guys. Just look into here. Okay, yeah. Next, millets. Millets are jawar, bajra, ragi. Okay, these are the millets, guys. Maharashtra is the largest, after that Karnataka, jawar. Okay, they can ask you which one of the following state is the highest in millets. Okay, jawar. Bajra is the Rajasthan, after that UP, Gujarat. Ragi is the Karnataka largest. They can ask you questions, guys. Okay, they can ask you questions like this. Mainly these millets has iron rich, calcium rich. Okay, nutricereals are the main of this millets, guys. Coarse cereals, we can call it as coarse cereals. Jawar, Maharashtra. Bajra, Rajasthan. Ragi is the Karnataka. Okay, maize. Maize is the both conditions Kharif and Rabi. Maize is we can cultivate Kharif and Rabi. Okay, yeah. Conditions 21 to 27 degrees centigrade, 50 to 100 centimeters is rainfall enough. State Karnataka largest. After that MP, UP, Bihar. Okay. Yeah, this is almost about maize enough 21 to 27 degrees centigrades. The crop is Karnataka highest is maize. Okay, maize can be cultivated in Kharif and Rabi. Maize can be cultivated in Kharif and Rabi. The questions coming from any farm, they can give you the characters and they can ask you the crop. Okay, characters. The crop which is between the 21 to 27 centigrades. The crop is we can cultivate Kharif and Rabi. The crop is highest production from the Karnataka. The crop is rainfall is 70 to 100 centimeters. Which kind of crop? Okay, wheat, rice and maize and pulses. Maize. They can give you the characters and they can ask you the crop name. Okay, previously they did ask such a questions. Okay, yeah. Pulses. Pulses, India largest production and consumer also. Obviously, this is fun. India is the largest production and largest importer also. Pulses. Okay, yes. And Conditions dry climate and less water needed, and major tar, okay, and moong dal, okay, masoor, gram, red gram is the largest. State is MP is the largest state. After that Maharashtra, UP, Rajasthan. These are the about pulses, guys. Okay, yeah. Take a screenshot. Okay, take a screenshot. Next, major cash crops mean commercial crops. Sugarcane. Sugarcane crop of the tropical and subtropical area. Tropical and subtropical area. Subtropical area is the northern plains like UP, Bihar and Sikkim. Okay. Tropical is the country where the down part, which is Karnataka. Okay. Yeah. Sugarcane. Condition 21 to 27. Of course, 75 to 100 centimeters sugarcane. Okay. Like maize condition, same maize conditions, sugarcane condition. This is supported by alluvial and black soils. UP is the largest. This is the keyword. This is the keyword. After that, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. Okay. They can ask you the increasing order or decreasing order of the crop production state-wise. West Bengal is the rice highest. Karnataka is the maize highest. Okay. Rice is the West Bengal. Karnataka is maize. Like wheat is the UP. Wheat is the UP. Sugarcane also UP. Sugarcane UP. Guys, I am going to write wheat highest in UP, rice highest in West Bengal, and maize highest in Karnataka, and this is sugarcane highest in UP. Okay, these are the highest states. They can production is highest from that state. Okay, this is the question they can ask you. They did ask previously. Okay, oil seeds. Oil seeds mainly groundnut is the largest oil seed in India, especially Gujarat, AP, Tamil Nadu. Gujarat is the highest groundnut. Mustard. Mustard is the Rajasthan, Haryana, UP. Rajasthan is the highest in the mustard. Soybean is MP is the largest. Sunflower is Karnataka is largest. This is most important for coming exam, guys. Okay, sunflower Karnataka. Sunflower Karnataka. Okay, yeah, there is nothing mechanism in this subject, guys. Just you have to be remember where you have to map, you have to point at it in the map enough. Okay, yes. Cotton. This is Kharif crop only. Only Kharif is the crop. Cotton. Cotton only Kharif crop. Black soil only black soil rigor. Okay, these are the keywords. 21 to 30 centigrades is needed for humidity and rainfall is 50 to 100. States mainly Maharashtra is the first state, highest largest cotton. Okay, yeah, cotton you have to remember, guys. Black soil is the first point, Kharif crop is the first point, black soil is second point, temperature is third point. Okay, this is Maharashtra is the fourth point. Cotton is most important, these 4 points, guys. Maharashtra is the first place for the production. It is only Kharif crop, second point. It is the rainfall is 50 to 100 centimeter and humidity is 21 to 30 centigrade. Okay, Maharashtra is the highest. Black soil, mainly black soil. Okay, it can be cultivated in the black soil. Okay, jute. Jute is the golden fiber. Which one of the following crop we can call golden fiber is the jute? Okay, yeah. Require it is 25 centimeters is 150 centimeter rainfall, mainly alluvial soil. Jute cultivate in the West Bengal, Bangladesh area. Okay. Rainfall is more than 100, 150 rainfall. Okay, yes. West Bengal is the largest. Okay, Assam, later Bihar, Odisha. Jute. It is important. And plantation, tea. Tea crop is the plantation second largest producer after China. This is keyword. Tea is the second largest producer after China. Plantation, tea plantation. It is commercial crop, cotton commercial crop and tea also commercial crop. Okay. It is required 20 to 30 like it is required 150 like jute, same jute as it is acidic soil, but jute is alluvial soil. Tea is acidic soil. This is important. Tea is the crop which is grown in acidic soil. This is important. Acidity means there is a high humus created acidic. Okay. Yeah. States mainly Assam is the largest. This is key point. And West Bengal, Darjeeling is the second, and Tamil Nadu, Kerala. Tea is Assam mainly. Cotton is Maharashtra. Okay. Jute is West Bengal. Cotton Maharashtra, jute West Bengal, and tea is Assam. This is important for coming exam. Okay. Yes. Okay. Take a screenshot. We will discuss later with the MCQs. Coffee. Yeah, the beautiful coffee. As you know, you want coffee during exam. Okay. Who can produce? Where is the Baba Budan Hills, Karnataka? Conditions tropical climate. This is important. Well drained soil. Okay. Tropical area only. Tea not tropical. Tree not tropical. Coffee is the tropical. Okay. Yeah. State Karnataka is the largest. This is keyword. After Kerala, Tamil Nadu. Okay. Karnataka is the highest production of tea, coffee and maize also. Coffee and maize is the Karnataka. Okay. Yeah. Rubber. Equatorial crop. High temperature, high humid, high rainfall is the region equatorial. Mainly rubber we can experience equatorial. It require more than 200 centimeters waterfall. Okay. Temperature is 25 to 30. High humid, high rainfall, high hilly area, high heat. Everything is there high, extreme. Kerala is the largest production. Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, northeastern state. Kerala is the largest. Tea is the Assam, coffee is the Karnataka, and rubber is the Kerala. These are the small states, guys. They can production is high. Okay. Jute is West Bengal. Okay. Yeah, I hope you guys understand this enough. Okay. Yes. Technology and innovations relevant to the agriculture. Green Revolution 1960 and 62. High yield variety seeds, especially wheat and rice, for the irrigation and fertilization capability is there in India for the production of wheat and rice. The Green Revolution the production is high. The main objective of Green Revolution is production, to increase the production of cereals like wheat and rice only. Wheat and rice. In that way, due to the Green Revolution, there is a dominance of rice and wheat. There is a surplus of other crops. Okay. Yeah. Like White Revolution 1970, milk production, Operation Flood. Which one of the following we can call is Operation Flood is White Revolution. The milk production took place in 1970. And Blue Revolution, fisheries. Blue Revolution, fisheries. Golden Revolution, fruits, honey and horticulture. These three. Gold Revolution, not only honey, fruits also, and about horticulture, some vegetables like. Gene Revolution, okay, gene modified crops. Okay, minimum support price, subsidies, crops, insurance also there. Pre-YQ, Green Revolution mainly benefited which crop? Wheat. Guys, these type of questions they can ask you guys. Okay, just look into here. I'm going to ask you one question. Minimum support price, which is comes under which ministry? Ministry of Agriculture and Farming, or Ministry of Commerce and Industries, and Ministry of Home and Health Services. Which ministry is supported minimum support price? Okay, this is question for you guys. Minimum support price is decided which ministry? Agriculture ministry or commerce ministry or industrial ministry? This is the question for you guys. Okay? Yes. Green Revolution 1960, White Revolution 1970, milk production is Operation Flood, like Blue Revolution about fisheries, Golden Revolution fruit and honey horticulture. Okay? This is also important slide for you guys. Take a screenshot about it. Okay? Okay? Yep. Yeah. This is the table. I made it for you easy, guys. I made it for you easy. Most important crop type: rice, wheat, maize, jowar, sugarcane, cotton, tea, coffee, jute, oilseeds. These are the crop type. Major states: rainfall requirement, humidity requirement, extra exam point notes. Okay, rice is mainly Kharif crop, grow in lowland, especially plain. Wheat is, UP is the largest production of wheat. Okay, UP is the largest production of wheat. Maize, maize is Kharif and Rabi, both varieties are there in the maize. Kharif and Rabi maize. Millet, millet is coarse cereals, rich in iron and calcium. Sugarcane, sugarcane is a long growing seasons, like 10 to 12 months it will take. UP is the largest production sugarcane. Cotton, cotton need, like it is a block soil, well drained irrigation. Assam is the largest, cotton is the block soil. Okay, yeah. Tea is the, Assam is the largest producer tea, and coffee is the Karnataka. Okay, Arabica Robusta is the coffee which is India coffee, most important, which is the, like India coffee is the name Arabica Robusta, Arabica Robusta. Okay, yeah. Jute is the like called golden fiber, we can call jute. Okay, yeah. Kharif and Rabi are, groundnut is the Kharif and there is a mustard is the Rabi of oil seeds. Guys, just look into here. This is the table. I made it for you guys. Most important for exam point of view. You come across this table enough. Just look into here again. Rice. Rice major states: West Bengal, UP, Punjab, Bihar, Tamil Nadu, AP, Telangana, Odisha, Assam, Kerala. Need temperature is above 22 centigrade. It is Kharif crop grown in lowland. Wheat, wheat UP, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Maharashtra. It is about the rainfall 50 to 100 centimeter. It is need cool and dry winter crop 10 to 15 degrees centigrade, okay, 21 to 26 at ripening, like at harvesting time. UP is the largest production of wheat. Maize, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, UP, Rajasthan. It is also 50 to 100 centimeter and it is moderate humidity. It is Kharif and Rabi. Maize is the Kharif and Rabi, both is there, maize. Okay. Millet, millet 40 to 75 centimeter of rainfall is needed. High temperature, low humidity need. Okay. Sugarcane, sugarcane is UP largest, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Bihar, Punjab. 75 to 150 centimeters of rainfall needed. Hot and humid temperature, UP is the largest. Tea, Assam is the largest, West Bengal, Darjeeling place, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. 150 to 300 centimeters of rain. It is high humid, 20 to 30 degrees centigrade, hilly slope areas. Okay. Largest is the Assam. Coffee is the Karnataka largest. It is also 150 to 250 centimeters, warm and humid. Okay. Arabica robusta is the Indian coffee. Okay. This is jute is the West Bengal is the largest production of jute. The temperature, rainfall and the main state. Okay. These are the conditions of crops and production of crops. Most important, take a screenshot guys. Okay. Yeah. Next. Questions guys. Questions. Just look into here again. Look into here again, starting onwards. I am gonna take questions later. Agriculture. 18% it is sharing of GDP. Agriculture is 18% sharing. Okay. Yeah, it can be export. Primitive and intensive subsistence agriculture farming is there in India. Commercial crops are tea, coffee, sugarcane, cotton. Okay. Yeah, Rabi crops are there, Kharif crops are there, Zaid crops are there. What are the Rabi, Kharif and Zaid? You have to be segregated. This is important. Okay. And major food crops, rice and wheat. Okay. What are the states they can produce and temperature and humid conditions are what? And millets, jawar, bajra, ragi, the places they can production is Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Karnataka. Maize, Kharif and Rabi, temperature and humid, it is Karnataka largest producer maize. And pulses, pulses is Madhya Pradesh is the largest producer. Okay. Cash crops. Sugarcane, UP is the largest. Oil seeds, Rajasthan, mustard, soybean is Madhya Pradesh, sunflower is Karnataka. Cotton, cotton Maharashtra is the highest production. Jute, golden fiber, it is the West Bengal is the largest production. Tea is the Assam is the largest production. Coffee is the Karnataka largest production. Rubber is the Kerala is the largest production. Okay. Technical, that is green revolution, high yield varieties 1960, white revolution 1970 and blue revolution is about fisheries, golden revolution is fruit, honey and horticulture, green revolution GM crops and minimum support price, which ministry you have to find it. Okay. Yeah, this is the table where you must come across. Okay. Yeah. And share of agriculture. What percentage of India population engaged in agriculture about is 54%. Agriculture and allied sector, 54% people are dependent because of it is subsistence agriculture farming, not commercial agriculture. It is subsistence in India. Yeah, major food crops, which is the staple food crop in India. Rice, it is UPSC prelims question guys. UPSC prelims, which is the staple food crop in India. Okay, it is rice. Largest producer of rice. The largest rice production state in India is, which is state PSC they did ask, SSC CGL they did ask. West Bengal is the state production of rice highest. Wheat crop, which is the main Rabi crop in India. SSC CGL, TSPSC they did ask. TSPSC they did ask and SSC CGL they did ask. Wheat is the highest production of Rabi, not Kharif. Okay? Yes. Millet question. Jawar, bajra and ragi are cash crops, millet crops, plantation, oil seeds. This is millet crops. UPSC prelims they did ask in the previous they did ask in the UPSC prelims guys. About sugarcane, which state is the largest producer of sugarcane in India? That is Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. Uttar Pradesh is the largest production. This is pre-YQ of SSC CGL and state PSCs. Many PSCs they did ask. About oil seeds. Which oil seed is known as the king of the oil seeds? This is also important, guys. King of the oil seed, they did ask state PSC many times. That is groundnut. Groundnut is the king of the oil seed. About cotton. Cotton cultivation in India mostly done on red soil, alluvial soil, black soil, laterite soil. This is also previous UPSC question and SSC CGL question. Black soils are suitable for the cotton production. Okay, black soil is the suitable for the cotton production. Jute. Which state is the largest production of jute in India? This is actually they did ask in SSC CGL and PSC questions. This is about West Bengal. Jute production is West Bengal. Tea. The largest producer of tea in India. Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Assam, West Bengal. Assam. UPSC prelims questions, guys. UPSC prelim question. Coffee. Coffee was the first introduced in India. UPSC question, SSC CGL question. Baba Budan Hills, Karnataka. Baba Budan Hills, Karnataka, which is coffee plantation introduced here first time. Okay, this is UPSC SSC question, guys. Rubber crop. Mainly rubber is growing in which state? Kerala. Previous SSC CGL question, guys. Kerala. Revolution. The green revolution in India mainly related to the rice and wheat. Previous UPSC question and SSC CGL question, guys. Okay. Golden revolution. The golden revolution in India refers to honey and horticulture. Previous SSC CGL question, state PSC question, guys. Okay. Yeah. Agriculture and research. Which organization coordinate agriculture research in India? ICAR, ICMR, CSIR, FCI. ICAR, Indian Council of Agriculture Research. Previous year UPSC question and SSC CGL question, guys. Quick revision. Okay. The largest producer of rice is the West Bengal, Kharif crop. Wheat is the UP is the largest production, Rabi crop. Sugarcane is the UP largest. Jute is the West Bengal largest. Cotton is the Maharashtra largest, grown in black soil. Tea is the Assam largest. Coffee is the Karnataka largest. Baba Budan Hills is the origin of the coffee. Rubber is the Kerala largest. Green revolution is the white and rice. Golden revolution, honey and horticulture. This is the slide most important for coming exam, right? Take a screenshot and quick review it. Okay, enough. Okay, I hope you guys good at this subject, geography. I made it very easy notes for you, only for exam point of view. Okay, I made it very easy. Just come across enough my notes for exam, guys. Because of I did write many exams, I know where the I predicted for the coming trends also. That's why I made it. Okay, you guys follow the notes enough. And tomorrow we will going to take another topic. Okay, so physical geography I am going to start tomorrow. Physical geography, which is very important and very concept based analytical way. Questions coming from physical geography, guys. Okay, don't miss my classes. I will give you my best. Thank you. If you like the video, you can like it and share it. Thank you so much.